This is hot melt glue, and you should get the power in single phase and 220. Single phase 220. And here is the power switch. You should turn on the power switch, and here is the temperature. Temperature 1, temperature 2, the glue, the pipe. Here is the pipe. Pipe 1, and here is number 1. This is the same temperature. And here is the temperature for this one. And here is the power. Here is the 这个是什么呀？
这个是温度的温控的开关。
这是temperature power， 这是 temperature switch。
这个是气压表
pressure，
压缸，这个胶缸的压
pressure， the air pressure。This one is also the pressure, the total, the main air pressure. And here you should collect the air switch, air pipe.
它这里面有个回流阀，可以调那个胶水大小的。那在那边要用1字螺丝刀调。
Here is the inside. There is a
回流阀。
Then inside there is a switch. You can adjust the glue flow. You can adjust the glue flow.
调了这个要配合调这个钢压。
And after you adjust, 等一下，来螺丝刀给我。不用听下去，我开啊。等一下，我试一下。等一下，那里这个位置。Here there's a switch. You can adjust the glue, the big or small and strong glue. Okay. But after you adjust that one, you should adjust the pressure. 就是大一点，调大一点的是吧？
我要调小一点，你调大了，就是这个气压就要小。
If the flow is big, is strong, is big one, you should adjust this one to small. If the slow switch is small, flow small, and this one should big pressure. So the pressure is adjustment here. It's a match. Normally slow is adjustment. And here is the pressure is not over 3 kg, not over 3 kg. Air pump is about 1 to 2 kg is enough. No need over 3 kg. Okay. And before you start the.
有的是机器停下来的时候抬一下胶水。
Before you start, you should press. You should press to let the hot melt out.
胶水擦一下。这个是电磁阀的那个开关，抬一下胶水，抬一下再擦一下胶水擦一下。
And there is a switch, the manual switch. 这个啊，对啊，this place, manual switch, and press to let the glue out. And also after the glue out, and you should wrap. You should clean the glue nozzle, the nozzle. You should wipe the nozzle. 再来一次，再来一次啊！再来一次，Here, first press oil out, and then wipe it, Okay. While the temperature level, and you should press them, and then we can fade the paper. We can fade the steel paper. And this side is plain, and this side is wet. And because the sack paper is cut over, so we should fade like this one, this side, And this system will make it turn over, and then detect the sensor detect paper, and then feed the glue work, the hot melt glue work. The sensor detect paper. This is hot melt work. 那边有纸杯的吧？有纸杯可以稍微开一个试一下，开一个两个。Okay, we want 1 or 2 pieces of paper. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Let's say 2. Here suck the paper down. Here suck the cup down. And here is blow the feeding. Here is water glue. And then cups come here. Feeding cups. Wipe cups. Okay, we feed the cup here. The cups go here feed, but here is the sensor. Here is the sensor in the paper cup. And then it works. Feeding paper, heating. Right now it's not loaded heat, no more. The total power and start. And this one is for the heating. 这个不用吧？这个加热不用吧？
这个不用，这不用。这个是那边的加热。
这个是折体加热呀。
折体加热都不用的。
This one is loaded. This one is right now is loaded because here is loaded. 那滚胶是它自动的啊。Here start, go, and feed paper. And feed the paper here, feed the cup steel here. Well, you can feed the cup steel and the hot melt glue. Well, temperature arrival, you should wipe. And here the sensor to the paper. And then feed to the absolute sealing. Transfer to the lip, and then it has the water board for the double wall, and then it comes to here. Here's the water glue. Water glue tank is from here. Water glue tank. You need go here. Here's switch. Where glue inside, water glue inside. and the glue, automatic for the pipe, glue pipe. Here is the stack, because here is stack there. We should serve the stack, the block. We should serve the block. Here's water glue. Water glue spray water, circle spray water, or spray the glue, circle. One circle glue, and then cup insert. This one cup insert. Cup insert. And then insert the cup. Suck the cup to the steam. And here is press. And then final discharge. Final discharge. And here is collect. Here is collect. Because while we're testing, we do not use water glue inside. This is blocking. I need to adjust back. And here is a job. Hey, please, face, and urgent stop. Please, urgent stop. While adjustment. Here is a sensor to fit the glue. One circle to fit the glue. Hot melt glue. Slowly, this is working. Hello, here is the paper cups. Paper cup. Here's the paper cup is simple. Paper cup is simple. Finish the cup here and transfer to the transfer system. Transfer system. Here is the switch. Here is the switch and can. And here is also a switch. Here is feed the cups, the floor. You should collect the pipe. The pipe here. Pipe. For the collector. And also this one for the pipe. This one for the pipe. For the collector, transfer. And here is the sensor. Here is the sensor control the fly the cups. Fly the cups to here. Here is the sensor. If the sensor no cups, it will auto-feed the cups here, to this place. And when he starts the machine, to put this cup guide together, and so then auto-feed the cups. Auto-feed the cups. Sensor, detect no cups, auto-feed. Wait， 稍微有点偏。有点问题。And here, this machine there are switch. K, there are K. K。这个放哪里？
从这里。
这个放哪里？
没关系，行。
Urgent stop and this one no use for the double wall. Here's the double wall. Rifle steel. This one is like this corrugated paper, rifle. This one is like this shape, corrugated. Here's the collector. Because we do not have so many sleeves, so we cannot test. Okay. Sensor work, glue work, and there, and here, solid shielding for the port down, here's water glue, and here's insert cut, and here's together, and here's pedal the cup. Here's the front of the cups. Okay, right now we do the final steps for the check the car. For the paper cup brush is 4 line. 3 file line, and for the hot melt is 2 line. One is loud line and one is file line and one is loud line. 220, AC20 for the hot melt. For the paper cup machine, you need ABC L1, L2, L1, L2, L3, and loud. We have 4 line, 3 5 line, 3 is fire, 1, 2, 3 is fire line, L1, L2 is fire line, and now is N is loud line. G is protected earth line, E is protected earth line. So if you have 5 line cable, you can control your structure. Here set the speed 70 to match the cup machine. Because the double machine with rifle maybe cannot run over fast. And here you should collect the power. Here the collect power is 220 for the collector. Collect the power is 220 power. 220 power. And also another one. This one for the transfer. This one for the transfer also need 220 power. Also for the 220 power. This one. And for the paper cup machine collector. This one also need the power. This one also need the power is 220. And also you need the compressor. This one also need the compressor. And here is the compressor. Here is the compressor for here. Here is the compressor. Compressor for the double wall. And the motor here. And also for the collector is also 3 file line. And the 3 file RSP is 3 file line. 3 file line and N is loud line. The earth line is for the protected earth line. And here is the single phase table, and here is the pipe. Here is the pipe for the compressor air, for the hot melt system. Hot melt inside. But now this small hot melt is 160 degrees enough. But some of the hot melt maybe they need a high temperature. Depends. And here is the power switch. And here is the air control. And here is the switch for the control. This one was number 1 or number 2 is work. Number 1 work. Only for number 1 work. Not for number 2. See? Here's type 1, number 1. Type number 1. Push. Type number 1 and connect number 1. Number 2 is low. Number 2 is low. And the next time you can buy one machine for two double wall. One hot melt for 2 double wall. And here is straight the steel, straight the glue. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Another very important. The ultrasonic is loaded. While you support melt, ultrasonic is loaded open. While you hot melt system, the ultrasonic loaded open. So you can use normal cage, normal one instead. No need ultrasonic. But we assemble the ultrasonic for the customer who want to use mixed up wall and who want to use P-equal paper. If you use hot melt, low lead ultrasonic. Ultrasonic is low open. Okay, this is really important thing. Ultrasonic not open. Because it's hot melt. No lead open for the hot melt.